Yo, what's up guys, this is CW Pop 1. So this is my trade unboxing. Check his channel here under and sub to him. And yeah, let's check out. Picture with Fingerboard magazine sticker, this sticker, and this is the trade. And also 2 Bellingwood sticker. Here are other E-Trucks. That's really nice. Shit, man. That's in the tool. And here are the box 5 and also the trade. And yeah, that's it. This here. Yeah, so that's it, the trade, the box 5 and E-Trucks. So thank you for the trade and see you.